everyone, Nadine here, and today I got another Easter card that I'm going to make for you. I'm going to be using some stamps from Crackerbox and Suzy Stamps. This cute little bunny and egg and the Happy Easter. I'm going to be using my Xyron Mega Runner because it's the best. And then also I'm going to be using some paper. I think this is the pattern paper I'm going to use, but let me show you all of the fun designs or papers that are in this pad. So lots of fun papers. This is called Die Cuts with a View, and it's Happy Spring is this one. So this is the paper that I'm going to use out of it. I think I might use a different one. I did cut another one out of this one, but I'm not sure I'm going to like it on there yet. So we'll see as we go along how it turns out. Okay, so to start, even though I already cut these out, this is my back panel. It is 5.5 by 4 1/4. And then this piece is 5 1/4 by 7. And I will put all of these measurements on my blog, and the link will be down below in the description box so you can figure out what sizes everything is. So this one I'm going to start out with. This is, like I said, the 5 1/4 by 7. And this is actually textured paper, so I'm putting the textured side down. And I am going to score it right here at 4. Oops. So it'll be folded like that. And then I also cut a white piece of paper. This one is 4.5 by 3 1/4. So going the long way, I am going to actually score it at the 1/2 inch mark, which you can do it on this side or this side. I'm scoring it right at 1/2 inch. Like so, and then I'm going to fold that over as well. Okay, so taking the two pieces that I scored, using my Mega Runner, I'm going to unfold this edge, and like I said, I wanted the pattern side out. I don't know if you can see the cardstock, but if you use smooth cardstock, you don't need to worry about it. I just wanted the smooth to be on the inside and the texture to be on the outside. With this flap, I'm actually going to use an embossing folder. This one just has cute little flowers on it. So I'm going to place it on there with it hanging off. And then I'm going to run that through my die cut embossing machine. So just like that. So only this part is going to be embossed. There we go. Let me see how that looks. Now, taking the free edge of this and my Mega Runner, oops, take the flap off first, and then just add adhesive like that. Center it on and fold that flap over. So it'll be just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to take this and I'm going to adhere it right onto the back panel that I made that is 5.5 by 4 1/4. And then from the pattern paper, I cut out a piece that's going to go right on the inside. This is 5 by 3 3/4. So that's how the card is going to fold so far. So next, using my MISTI, taking the 2 stamps and some Memento Tuxedo black ink. And pick those stamps up. I'm gonna stamp them out. And since these are brand new stamps, I might have to stamp them twice, which is why I'm using my MISTI. Okay, now that I have my image stamped out, I'm going to pour it in with some Copic markers, and I like to use my Copic chart that I made of all of the colors that I have, so that way I can just compare of what colors. I look at this to see what colors I want to use. So to get started, I'm going to fast forward this so I don't bore you too bad while I'm coloring. Now that my image is colored, I'm going to go ahead and die cut that out with the scallop die, rectangle die. Next, I'm going to go ahead and mat that with a little bit of orange cardstock. I'm just going to cut it down so it's just slightly bigger, and then I'm also going to cut out my sentiment. Okay, now I have that all die cut out and framed or matted with some orange cardstock. And now that I have these both, I kind of went back and forth. I mean, that looks cute like that, but I think I like the contrast with the green, even though this was my original feeling to go with, but then I decided I was changing my mind. I was thinking I wanted to go with this one, but I think I like that one better. So anyways, that's what I'm going to end up doing. Oops. Using my Mega Runner, I'm going to attach this on. Oops. Now I just want to add a little bit of shine on the bunny's nose. Probably should have been pink, but I didn't have pink. I'm going to do it on the eyes. And then just using some clear, I'm going to go on the inside of the ears and also on the bow. Like that. So I don't know if you can see that sparkle on there or not. I'm going to use some 3D foam dots, or foam squares, not dots, to attach this to the front. Attach my sentiment to the inside of my card. And I got a little bit of adhesive on the edge, so I'm just going to use my Xyron eraser here to remove that. There we go. So now when I close it, it's going to go like that. Next, I have these little flowers, and I want to add here to the corner. And I'm just going to add some rhinestones into the middle of them. And there it is. My card is completed. So it opens up like that, and then opens up like that. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and if you enjoyed my video, I would love a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. Oh, also don't forget to click that bell so that way every time I post a new video, you will get a reminder. Thanks. See you next time. Bye-bye.